Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and today I want to talk about this 2021 Grand Design Solitude. It came in for a wheel bearing pack, and while it was here, we ended up finding 3 cracks on the frame. So stay tuned for more, and we will post what the outcome is. We're actually dealing with LCI on this matter, and we'll be taking a bunch of pictures and submitting all the paperwork and forms in for them to determine whether they're going to go ahead and cover this or not. So thanks so much for watching. Hey, so I'm underneath this Grand Design Solitude, and again, it's a 2021. And so the guys went ahead and took a paint pen and marked where the crack is. And as you can see, there's the crack in the frame. Again, he was in here doing a wheel bearing pack. The other thing to notice is that it's right underneath where the slide out mechanism is, on the forward of the slide out. So keep an eye on, all of your hangers, on the welds, on the hangers, on the supports, and see if you see anything else that ends up, having cracks and stuff into it. This happens to be on the curb side, and I'm gonna go do another video on the roadside. So here we are, we're on the driver's side rear, which we refer to as the roadside, and this one is actually on the back of the rear axle. So we have one on the front axle, one on the rear axle of this Solitude. Thanks so much for watching.